Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola Sukomi. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. So this is going to be a very quick video, something that I figured out and I feel like it's going to help you. If you're trying to sell a product on the internet or you're just trying to get someone to buy a product from you, either way, to make money, you just have to sell something. You just have to sell something. It's the basic fundamentals of life. Sell value and get paid. It's just how it is. You can never change that. So this is what I figured out and I feel like it's going to help you. It's a very, very simple strategy that might help you. So a couple months ago we launched our product, which is just like a prototype, like a few hundred pieces. So I was trying to sell this, and this is how I figured this technique out, and I feel like you might like it. So there is a basic sales process, which is from the producer directly to the consumer, and another one is from the producer to the retailer, then to the consumer. Are you guys getting? So I'm just going to talk about, there are different ways, but I'm going to talk about from the producer directly to the consumer, which is the only way you can actually get this process is via the internet. If you're trying to get a lot of sales via the internet. So this is what I've been able to actually figure out, which is very, very simple. It is there is a report there's an article that I read. It's a financial report that states that 60% of Nigerians are salary earners. It's crazy. 60% of Nigerians are salary earners. And how does this work? So I want you to take a closer look at how this works. It's an entirely separate report, and there is another article I read which is an entirely separate report on its own also. It states that 90% of companies tends to pay salary from the 25th of every month till the 30th of the month, which simply means if you work as a salary earner, they're going to pay your salary maybe on the 25th of the month, or on the 30th of the month, or on the 28th, 29th, or on the 26th. Who knows? So this is just a separate report, but combining these two together, I realized that money tends to circulate from the 25th of the month till the following month, till the 10th or the 15th of the following month. But how does this apply to you? You are the seller. That is the game. It is what it is. So this is how this applies to you. People tend to pay their loans after they get their salary, which is 60% of Nigerians. They tend to pay their loan, fulfill their promises, pay their dues, pay their whatever after they get their salary, which is between the 25th of the month to the 30th of the month. So I've been able to make my product sales. I fixed it around this period of time, and I've been able to get a huge bump in my conversion, how much people tend to buy my product. And it's crazy that you might possibly run your advert, your sales advert, if you're selling a product or whatever you're selling in between this period of time, because people tend to have money around this period of time. But what I did is that outside of this period of time, which is the 25th of the month to the 15th of the following month, I run a brand awareness advert. I do get few sales actually. Outside of this month, I tend to run a brand awareness advert. But during this period, I run a sales advert, which has actually been a great conversion. And I feel like I should just share the info with you guys if you like it. Also, if you are selling a physical product, why not tend to maybe call people around the 25th of the month? Just simple. Just call them around the 25th to the 30th of the month. They tend to have money. You just have to learn about people's income in order to be able to. It's very simple. So this is what it is in this video. I think you guys might like it, and I just decided to just share this with you. It's a very, very simple video. If this video has been of value in any way, make sure you give it a thumb up. Simple. And if you like my personality, I'm a very simple person. Just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And that's about it in this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do enjoy yourself.